Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, we're going to be showing you how to do cauliflower steak. It's very traditional right now and it's really taken off. So stay tuned, I'll be showing you how to do that right away. So one of the things I've been playing with a lot recently is cauliflower. So one of the new things I do with it is make a cauliflower steak. So I'll show you how I do it. So for this recipe, for the ingredients, you're gonna need 1 cauliflower, a little bit of mint, some olive oil, some pine nuts, some honey pesto. The honey pesto recipe is already in one of my videos. I think it's video number 3. You can look to see it. And you're gonna need a little burrata cheese. So the first procedure is to do the cauliflower. So what I like to do is go straight down the middle and take almost an inch. So this is the steak right here. I'm gonna go take down the stems on the side, clean it up a little bit, just like this, to almost make like a little tree. So there you go. We're gonna put that on the sheet pan. We're gonna brush it on both sides with a little extra virgin olive oil. Don't use butter, just extra virgin olive oil. Keeps it healthy. And then you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on both sides. Some black pepper, a little kosher salt, and that's it. So now the oven's already been preset at 350 degrees, so you're just going to throw this in the oven for 30 minutes. Set your timer, and there you go. So that's going to be cooking for 30 minutes. As soon as it's done, we'll be right back. Thank you. Hey, welcome back. It's been 30 minutes and the cauliflower has been done. So now to plate it up, it's going to be very easy. We're just going to take a little of the homemade honey pesto and put it on the bottom of the plate. What you're going to do is just make a circular motion with the bottom of your spoon, the back of your spoon I should say, go all the way around. Then you're going to take your burrata ball. You're going to put it right in the center. You're going to break it just like this. You're going to put your cauliflower just like that on top. Then you're gonna put some toasted pine nuts right around it, just for a little different texture. You know, just a little bit. Then you're gonna take a little fresh mint. You're gonna pull just the leaves off. And then you're just gonna slice it. Pull it into a little bunch. And then just sprinkle on top. And that's my take on the cauliflower. Now, if I want to do something a little bit fun at the end, put a little bit of kosher salt on top, and just finish it with a little ground black pepper. And there you go. Cauliflower steak with a little burrata and honey pesto and a little toasted pine nuts. Very easy, very fast. As always, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at chefjesseq. Leave me any comments, feedbacks, any suggestions. And as always, just keep tuned to the channel for a couple, whatever the new recipes will be coming out every week. Every Tuesday and Saturday, a new video drops, so stay tuned for that. Now I'll give you a couple tips before I go. First tip is, of course, you don't have to use the pine nuts. You can use walnuts, pecans, any other kind of nut, or no nuts at all if you're allergic to nuts. The other thing is, instead of doing burrata, you could also do like a fresh mozzarella if you can't find burrata locally. Instead of mint, you could also do basil. The cauliflower you can cook ahead of time and then just pull out the oven, set aside, and right before you're going to serve it, just throw it back in the oven for maybe 5 minutes just to reheat. Those are just a couple tips. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. As always, thank you guys for all the feedback, all the subscribers that have been, following me and supporting me. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.